guys, it's me, Blake. Good afternoon. Introducing Khayan and my doggy. I'll tell you why, how much we love my doggy. And 1 second, baby of mine.
Walks.
We take him walks, terrace, and I go down and take him a little walk. Then I also feed him, and I also do this. I try these tricks. Neo, sit, sit. No paw, paw. On my hand. Go lying down. Now bang. Do bang. Good boy. That's why I love him. And if I love my baby so much, then see this funny thing, guys.
What else is Neo? Why do you love Neo being at home?
Because he's my doggy.
And?
He protects me.
Yeah?
Everything he does.
You're not scared at home because of Neo?
Nope.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you, everyone.
Good evening, everyone, and all present here. I am standing before you to share my thoughts through my speech about nature. My name is V. Shravya from class 6D, school Kendriya Vidyalaya at Begumpet. Nature is the world around us. We all human beings depend on nature every time and for everything. Many people admire the beauty of nature and even they write many novels and poems on it. This is because the beauty of nature can't be expressed in one single word or saying. It provides the humans, animals, and all the living beings of the earth a place to live with the joy of natural resources. We live on the most beautiful planet, Earth, which has very clean and attractive nature, full of greenery. Nature is our best friend, which provides us all the resources to live here. It gives us water to drink, pure air to breathe, food to eat, land to stay, animals and plants for our other uses, etc. For our betterment, we should fully enjoy the nature without disturbing its illogically balance. We should care our nature, make it peacefully, keep it clean and prevent it from the destruction so that we can enjoy our nature forever. Nature is the most precious gift given by the God to us to enjoy. Thank you.
The best thing about gardening is seeing green and brown turning red and pink. I, Geetika of class 9B studying in KVIFS Begumpet is here to talk about my experience of growing a plant and how it feels to me to care for nature. My holidays were spent nurturing the growth of a plant. And sure enough, it was pretty enjoyable. It gave me an opportunity to break free from the clutches of the technological world. The paraphernalia involved for cultivating a particular plant in a pot was something that most of us already know about. A pot, some soil, a couple of seeds and water. With only these things, I may not be wrong to say that one feels puffed up while he or she gives life to a plant. I chose to grow ladyfingers and planted the seeds in the soil. As I excitedly looked over the pot each day to see the signs of the plant sprouting from the seeds, as I continued watering them, I unexpectedly noticed the plant teeming out of the soil on one particular day. The pleasure of growing a tree, it was one of the best experiences of my life. The entire process of evolution of a plant as it develops from a seed into a tiny sapling and eventually growing to become a tree is like watching the different aspects of life. This makes us also realize that plants and trees are living beings too. Plant was simply undescribable. The nature also teaches us many things. It teaches us that there is nothing wrong with you. And when you are with nature, the time slows down. And every minute I spent with nature, it gave me an immense happiness, satisfaction and peace. When you are with nature, you remember who you truly are, and I love the nature. Thank you.
Sairam everyone, this is Prakriti, participant of this competition. First of all, thank you very much for giving this really great opportunity for me. I'm really blessed to be in between of us. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about like my experience of planting trees as the theme is, and how I feel about caring about nature. So my experience was really great, because the first day I was planting, I touched the soil, I feel really relaxed. And then the second time when the small sapling came out, I feel like that's really cute. Okay, I feel like, oh, it's my baby plant. Okay, then within 2 days it grows a bit bigger, and then within 4 days it will grow little more bigger, and that's really fun and really helpful for our nature, for our mother earth. As we care, my thinking is, as we care for our mother, we care for her, we love her, we should also love our mother earth, because she's the most important thing. Absolutely, she's important. If she's not here, then we'll also be destroyed, we'll also die, and no one wants to die here soon, I'm sure. And sacrificing is really important. The earth is sacrificing so much for us. She's sacrificing so much. She's like bearing torture from us. It's torture. We are cutting those trees, we are using plastics, we can't do anything. As usual, we are using plastics every day. I know it's hard to stop using plastic, but we should at least try doing that. And then we should explain others to not cut trees. We should always start planting trees. As I knew this, I knew it before too, but because of our mams, because of this competition, I'm really like inspired. So what I think, what I wish is, everyone just share this video or tell everyone to not cut trees and start planting and stop pollution. And yeah, thank you, Sairam.